Here's how to set up Virgin Media WiFi Pod. First, unplug any Wi-Fi boosting devices you're currently using, such as Wi-Fi boosters or powerline adapters, since they may interfere with the pod. Next, choose a suitable location for your Wi-Fi pod. Ideally, place it in a power socket roughly halfway between your Wi-Fi hub and the area where you're experiencing a weak signal. Now, connect the power cable to the back of the Wi-Fi pod and plug the other end into the power socket. Turn on the power socket and make sure the switch on the back of the pod is also turned on. The light on the pod will come on and then slowly pulse green while it connects to your hub. Allow the pod to start up and leave it for around 10 minutes while the connection is established. Once it's successfully connected, the pulsing light will turn off. Your Wi-Fi signal should start improving right away, but leave the pod in place for around 24 hours so it can optimize its performance for your home and Wi-Fi usage. If you don't notice an improvement after 24 hours, try moving the Wi-Fi pod to a different location. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.